All right, so this problem says the ABC Book Club charges a $40 monthly fee plus $2 per book read in that month. The Easy Book Club charges a $35 monthly fee plus $3 per book read in that month. For each club, how many books must be read in 1 month for the total charges from each club to be equal? So here we're working with linear equations. So the ABC Book Club has a $40 monthly fee, so you're paying that much money to be in the club no matter what, plus $2 per book. The books are the variable, so that's like your X value. So we can represent the $2 per book with 2X, and then the $40 monthly fee, that's just fixed, so that's a 40. So to write an equation for the ABC Book Club, the cost to be in the club is $2 per book, so 2X, plus a $40 monthly fee. So that's how much it's going to charge you that month to be in the club. The Easy Book Club is kind of similar. They have a $35 monthly fee, so that's a little bit lower, but they have a $3 per book read in that month fee. So to be in the Easy Book Club for a month, it's going to cost you $3 per book, so that's where we get our 3X, and then $35 just to be in the club. So the question says, how many books do you have to read in order for the charges for each club to be equal for 1 month? So the books are our variables. We represent the books with our variable. In this case, I picked X. So to figure out when the cost of the clubs are equal, we're going to take the equation that we wrote for the ABC Book Club, which is the 2X plus 40, that represents the cost for 1 month in the club, and set it equal to how much it costs to be in the Easy Book Club, which is 3X plus 35. So you're going to set those two expressions equal to each other and then solve for X. So you can subtract 40 from both sides. That's the first step that I did. And I got that 2X is equal to 3X minus 5. Then remember, we want to solve for X. So I'm going to subtract 3X from both sides now to get negative 1X equals negative 5. If you divide both sides by negative 1, you get that X is equal to 5. So the correct answer here is H, 5. That means for the ABC Book Club, if you read 5 books in a month, the cost for the month is going to be the same as if you were in the Easy Book Club for 1 month and you read 5 books there. So here the correct answer is 5